Aston Martin, renowned for its blend of luxury and performance, has unveiled a new jewel in its crown, the Aston Martin Valiant. This track-focused marvel represents a departure from convention, emphasizing pure driving pleasure and precision handling, all underscored by the nostalgic allure of a 6-speed manual transmission. The Aston Martin Valiant embodies the essence of a true driver's car, a symphony of engineering prowess and aerodynamic finesse. At its core lies a potent powertrain, meticulously tuned to deliver exhilarating performance on both road and track. The precise feedback of the manual gearbox enhances the connection between driver and machine, ensuring an immersive driving experience that enthusiasts crave. Designed with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, the Valiant boasts a sculpted body that seamlessly blends form and function. Every curve and contour serves a purpose, optimizing airflow and enhancing stability at high speeds. From its aggressive front splitter to its prominent rear wing, each aerodynamic element contributes to the Valiant's ability to carve through corners with confidence and grace. Inside the cockpit, Aston Martin's commitment to craftsmanship is evident. The driver-centric interior is a testament to luxury and performance, featuring premium materials and ergonomic design. Alcantara-clad seats provide exceptional support during spirited driving, while carbon fiber accents add a touch of race-inspired flair. Every detail, from the placement of controls to the visibility of gauges, is meticulously crafted to prioritize the driver's experience. Technology also plays a pivotal role in the Aston Martin Valiant's performance prowess. Advanced chassis dynamics and adaptive suspension systems work in harmony to optimize handling and responsiveness, ensuring that every twist and turn on the track is met with precision and poise. Meanwhile, an intuitive infotainment system keeps drivers connected without compromising their focus on the road ahead. Beyond its technical brilliance, the Aston Martin Valiant represents a celebration of automotive heritage and innovation. Its manual transmission harkens back to an era when driving was an art form, a testament to Aston Martin's commitment to preserving the purity and passion of the driving experience. As automotive enthusiasts embrace the future of electrification and autonomous driving, the Valiant stands as a beacon for those who cherish the thrill of the open road and the mastery of manual gear changes. With the launch of the Aston Martin Valiant, the British marque reaffirms its position at the pinnacle of automotive excellence. This track-focused weapon not only embodies Aston Martin's racing pedigree but also invites drivers to rediscover the joy of pure, unadulterated driving pleasure. Whether on the track or winding through scenic routes, the Valiant promises an unforgettable journey, a symphony of power, precision, and passion that defines the Aston Martin experience. In conclusion, the Aston Martin Valiant is more than a car, it is a statement, a bold declaration of Aston Martin's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship, performance, and the sheer thrill of driving. With its track-focused design and manual transmission, the Valiant redefines what it means to experience automotive excellence, inviting drivers to unleash their passion and embrace the exhilaration of the road ahead.